The guy in the bird down. I was gonna come help you guys. Got him. Yeah, I got him. Okay, I'm gonna push up. Hey, yellow! You res me? That truck. I gotta reload. Nice shit, dude. Clear him out. My bad. One dead. Behind the white truck. Got him. On the hill, close! Close on the hill, guys! Got him! Where the fuck is he at in the water? What the fuck? I'm probably gonna die. Got him. Alright, get to the cars. I tried it. Oh my fucking god. What's up, fellas?
Guy holding that fucking angle.
Yeah, I think I shot the dude off this box right here, but there's also mooses on that hill. Oh, and he's dead. No way you didn't hit that.
Hey! No way I didn't.
No way you didn't. I watched that shit with my own 2 eyes.
Take it, I dare you! Oh my god! I told you! Maybe if everybody lines up behind me and I start Come on, Brown. I know you're back there.
Yeah, I got it.
Don't be scared, Brown.
Oh, you got him. Oh, I got him.
Hey, Yellow, what's your gooning streak? Bro, I'm a masturbator. I am a grand masturbator. I'm an emerald edger, bro. I am the jerk mate. We should jerk together.
Oh shit, I'm dead. I got distracted by the gooning. 8, 9. Heard. Oh, I hit that. Oh, fuck yeah. Oh, fuck yeah. Oh. There's 2 dudes right there. Hold up. Sorry. Yes, sir. Ah! Holy shit, I'm gonna call that. That was fucking close enough.
So today I got a total of 0 kills and 18 deaths.
Very good.
And we just found a red rag.
We just found a red rag. This is a vlog channel now.
Airsoft has failed.
Yeah, so airsoft sucks. Hate the sport. Quitting.